welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Kenny. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, what's up? So as you can tell by the title of the video, we are doing a mini Sunday reset. I just cleaned my kitchen, cleaned out my fridge, my living room, did some grocery shopping, just got my home ready and reset for the new week. I love to do this on Sundays right before the week starts because it just makes my week so much better when my home is nice and put together. So as you can see right now, this island is a mess, but I promise you it looks worse than what it really is. It really is just like a bunch of little junk on it and maybe a few dishes in the sink. So right now I'm just clearing out the dishwasher so that the dirty dishes, I can put them in the dishwasher, because if you know, you know, I'm a dishwasher girl. I am not washing those dishes by hand unless they are not dishwasher friendly like my pots. But other than that, it's getting thrown in the dishwasher. Y'all, and I never thought I'd be saying this, but lately cleaning has been so therapeutic for me. I don't know what it is, but if I feel myself being stressed, I'm in like a bad mood, I'm feeling down, I've just been getting up and I started cleaning. I think it's just because like when my house is clean, it's smelling good, it's fresh, it makes me feel better. So I've been cleaning a lot more lately, which is not like me because I am a lazy girl. I do the bare minimum. But more recently, it's just been so therapeutic for me, so I don't mind getting up and cleaning. And of course, while I'm cleaning, I am watching some YouTube videos. I just went back and watched some of Kennedy Simone's old videos because I just love her. She doesn't post often, so I just went back and watched some old ones that I already seen, but I just wanted to watch it again. By this time, my girl Maya Galore had posted a new video, so you know I had to tune in. When my YouTube girlies post videos, I swear I just get so excited like I know them or something. But do any of y'all do that? Because I do it all the time. So now that the dishes are done, the counter is pretty much clear. I'm just moving stuff out the way because now I am about to tackle this refrigerator. And look at it, y'all. What was crazy is I thought a lot of this stuff would be bad, which some of it was bad, but I did get to keep a lot of it because it was still good, surprisingly. So I'm just pulling out all the bad stuff, the stuff that I know I don't want, I won't drink again, or we won't eat, or it's just expired. And this is what was left. Like I said, a lot of the stuff was actually still good. That's the stuff that we don't need anymore, so I'm gonna throw that out. And then after taking all that stuff out, I decided, you know what, I just want to thoroughly clean this fridge, even though it wasn't really dirty. So I even started taking the good stuff out because we just about to clean it. If we're gonna clean it, we're gonna clean it 100%. What's crazy is after clearing out my fridge, I forgot I had a whole freezer. Like, girl, nah, most of all this stuff in here was bad. So I literally just took it out. I think the only thing I kept was like my little frozen fruit and the shrimp and the garlic bread and some little nuggets. But other than that, the rest of that stuff went in the trash. And this Lysol spray right here is my absolute favorite. The scent is mango and hibiscus. It smells so good. They have a regular spray and they have a foaming spray. I like the regular spray better than the foaming spray because I really couldn't smell it like that, but it got the job done. But I don't think I'll get it again. I'll just get the regular one because the regular one will have your house smelling so good. But yeah, it got the job done. Now that the fridge is all clean, I'm just gonna put the food back in there that I actually decided to keep. Just organize it a little bit because like I said, we are going grocery shopping. So when I get my groceries, I want to be able to put them in my fridge nice and neat. Now that that's done, I'm just putting my flowers and my little core back on my counter. Y'all, I have been buying myself flowers every week and I absolutely love it. I don't know what it is. It just makes my home feel a lot brighter and lighter. But it also makes me feel good as I'm sitting there making the arrangements. So I definitely think this is something I'm going to continue to do from now on. I'm tired. So, alright y'all, the kitchen is pretty much clean. Besides, I need to mop. But I need to go to the grocery store to pick up some things for the week. And then I'm going to come back and finish cleaning. So, I just need to mop in here, do the living room, the laundry, and my room. So, I still got a lot to do. But yeah, I'm about to go to the store to pick up some stuff for the week. My friend is actually going to meet me here that she wants to go to. So I'm gonna get ready real quick. I don't know if I want to take out in the store because I don't really like shopping, like grocery shopping on the weekend, because everybody and their mama be in the stores and I just don't feel like dealing with all these people. But I really need to go because I picked up a shift tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to go today. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'll probably pick y'all back up when I get home. So yeah, I'll see y'all when I get back from grocery shopping. The way I was out of breath and struggling with these groceries is not even funny. I literally picked up way more than what I thought I was. And I hate when I do that. I go in the store and I say, oh, I'm only gonna get a few things and come out with a ton of stuff. But it was worth it. I feel like I got good stuff, especially since, you know, I did clean out my fridge and my freezer. I needed to stock it back up. So I do think it was worth it. Y'all, so I'm back from the store. Oh my goodness, for one, it's so hot out there, and then two, bringing these groceries upstairs, oh my god, it's just a lot. I got more stuff than what I expected, so I'm not gonna show out everything because it's just gonna be too much, and I still need to finish cleaning my house before I get the week started. But I do want to show y'all something I got. So I don't know if I'm just late, but I started eating these like a month ago. Because I seen it on Facebook. I don't even be on Facebook like that. I just happened to get on one day. And I seen somebody say these taste like Chick-fil-A. When I say they never lie, like, these are so good. My kids love these. They taste just like Chick-fil-A. And you can get the waffle fries. So good. 10 out of 10. Those are the only nuggets we're going to get. And then I ended up getting the chicken sandwiches so we could taste those too. And then, oh, that's from Sam's Club if I didn't say that. I also got the chicken fried rice because my cousin made this one time and it was so good. So yeah, and then I just got other little simple stuff. So I'm about to put the groceries away and then finish cleaning because I still need to, dang, I didn't even start laundry. I gotta start laundry. I still need to do my living room. And then I want to steam out my floor. I don't have a steam mop, but I'm gonna boil some water, put it in the bucket and mop my floor because my floors, if you see my floors are really light. And by them being light, any little dirt on them makes them look dirty. And right now they look filthy. So it needs to be mopped tonight. Like, we can't wait another day. So yeah, I'm about to put these groceries up and then we're gonna get back to cleaning. Y'all already know, as I'm putting up my groceries, I had to turn on YouTube again. Is it just me, or do y'all watch YouTube more than you watch regular TV? Because I know I do. If I am bored and I need to watch something, I'm just gonna turn on YouTube. I don't know why. I just prefer to watch it over TV shows. I watch a TV show every now and then, but most of the time, if I say I'm watching TV, I'm watching somebody on YouTube. I think it's just entertaining for me to watch somebody's real life. Like, as you're watching these YouTubers, you'll be feeling like you really know them. Like, I know I do. Some of y'all feel like y'all know me because, you know, We friends. But I be feeling like I know these YouTubers. Like, if you ask me something about them, I could be like, yeah, her daughter name is. Or yeah, her boyfriend name that. Oh yeah, she lived here. She was from here. She's from there. Like, you know, I be talking like I know these girls. Even though I don't know them from Adam and Eve. But I know them on YouTube. And y'all, don't judge my pantry. I really feel like my pantry is too big for me and my 2 children. Like, I will never fill this thing up. Like, it's a decent sized pantry, but like I said, it's just too big for me and my kids. It'll never get full. Moving on to this living room, y'all, I promise you I'm gonna fix these mirrors this weekend because y'all keep hounding me about them. I'm gonna rehang them and I'm gonna fix them. Just give me some time. But my living room really wasn't that bad. If you know, you know. When you got 2 kids, this living room can be looking so much worse. So I'm happy it was a little decent today. I can't wait to really decorate my living room. I want to add a rug. I want a cute TV stand. I want to add some different colors onto my couch. I'm not gonna like really tell what I got in mind because of course I want to make some content out of it and I want it to be like a, you know, a surprise. So just make sure you're subscribed so that you can see when I am decorating it, which is gonna be very soon. Now for this steam mop, y'all, I promise you I will steam mop my floors from now on. Like, from now on, I will never do it any other way. Because I remember telling my mom, like, my floors are so hard to clean because I would mop and the stains still wouldn't come up or the dirt still wouldn't come up. I would literally have to get on my hands and knees and scrub it. But when I steam mop my floors, when I say that dirt came right up, like, my floors look brand new, as if no one has ever lived here. Like, and my house smells so fresh after mopping it. I just put some bleach in there and some Ajax. I meant to get Fabuloso, but at Dollar Tree they only had the Ajax, so that's what I got. But yeah, this steam mop, if you've never tried it, boil you some water, put it in your mop bucket, and girl, it's gonna change your life. Now we are at the end of the night. I took a nice shower, put on my PJs, and you already know what time it is. I gotta light me a candle and pour me some wine because it's time to wind down. Yeah, I don't even know the name of this wine, but all I know is it's not that good. I just be drinking it because I bought it and it's all I have left. So yeah, don't ask me what it is because I don't recommend it. Around this time, I typically just lounge on the couch and read a good book, or I am on FaceTime with my family, which that's what I did tonight. I actually called my sister because we hadn't talked all day, which is not like us, but we both were so busy, and we just caught up, and she always has me laughing so hard, y'all. But yeah, I love my sister so much, y'all. But that is all that I have for y'all in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Kenny Nishay. And I will see y'all in the next video.